Hello guys, I'm back. I got some stuff that's really exciting to show you. I got my, look at this little box. It's my premium boxycharm. Hey. So I just wanted to, they really packed this sucker in real good. So I just wanted to go through it with you guys real quick. First up, Wonder Beauty. Do not disturb overnight repair concentrate. Formulated 1% retinol to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone and texture. Squalene and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps soothe skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. $68. I have it right here. You do a little pump like this. I've used it at night, and I like it a lot. Don't know if I've noticed a difference. I haven't been using it long enough to. But what I do notice is it hydrates the shit out of my skin, which I enjoy. Because if you guys have watched my other videos, you know I am dry. So can't wait for add-ons or pop-ups. I'll get this again. I loved it a lot. Next, oh, a NARS blush. This cult favorite. Weightless, natural looking Russia cheek color, matte satin and shimmering finishes. $30. And I got this shade Deep Throat. I believe I picked this one out because it was supposed to be like a peachy coral. This is the packaging, and it's that soft matte feeling. But you open it up. It's got a good mirror and then that, and you pull the little paper off. And look. It's shimmery. It's pretty. She's pretty. Ooh, it's a shimmer. Ooh, it's very like buttery. I like this one a lot. Guys, yeah. It's shimmering. You know what? Screw it. I mean, I have the Rare Beauty blush on, but a little more blush. It's gonna hurt, right? Not at all. Let's try it. Goes over cream beautifully. Don't have to do a lot of blending. It's pretty. I like it. It's shimmery. I likey. It's really buttery and soft. All right, Marc Jacobs Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. $26. So it's a liquid eyeshadow. And I got the shade Copperazzi. You know me and my creams and liquids. Oh, this is it. Let's do a swatchy. This is the applicator. And that's what it looks like. It's kind of orangey. I have a cute, I would do this with a bronzy look. I have a cute orange blush that this would look good with. We'll check it out once it dries down. Oh. Incredible Cosmetics Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. The glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe the lips. This glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Enriched with nourishing, hydrating properties. $24. This is cute. Let's open it. Let's check it out. And then ooh, there are like actual crystals in them. Ooh. That's cute. I like it. And look at the purple one. That's cute. What does it look like? Oh, the little roller ball's purple. I was like, oh my god, there's something wrong with the ball. It has like a light floral scent, but it's just clear gloss. That's that. All right, hold on. I'll skip that and do that last. All right. Next, Dose of Colors eyeliner, $15, and I got dark roast, and I do like a good brown. Oh, this is cute. Don't think I've ever tried a Dose of Colors eye pencil. Nope. Hold on. Let's see if we can get some. Oh god, I'm trying to draw this with my left hand. It's not working, so I'm right-handed. Alright, here's a swatch of that. It's pretty. It's pretty. Let's see. Long-wear creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish. Built-in sharpener. Oh, it does have a built-in sharpener? Oh, it does. Okay, so you just take the lid off. Built-in sharpener. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I like to. I prefer a matte finish eyeliner. If it's pencil, if it's a pen, I prefer matte finish. I like them pigmented, and transfer proof is fan-fucking-tastic for me. All right, and that's 15. Yeah. Next up, I got Dew of the Gods Rose Body Scrub. I got this before, like 2 months ago in a box, and I mean, it's nothing. It's alright. I'd use it to exfoliate in the shower when I'm going to do a self-tan. $22 for this. I did get an email from BoxyCharm saying that this was a repeat item for me. And they had credited me, I guess, to get something out of add-ons, and I did. I ordered a, gosh, what did I order? Oh, the Becca liquid champagne pop. So I'm waiting for that to come. I haven't got that yet. All these damn highlighters. I know when it comes, we'll give it a go, guys. We'll get on here and show you. But my total for this box was $183. Did I hate it? No. I mean, I was kind of I've seen people do unboxing, and I was kind of looking forward to these just to see what they were about. My blush, I was excited about. This, I don't know. I don't know if I'm fond of the shade, to be honest. It's dry though. And it ain't moving. Nope. Staying put. Okay. Oh, wait. What is this? Nope, wrong one. Alright, yeah. Dose of Colors. Cool. I like a brown liner. I really do. I'll use it. And then this. This made the box for me. Like I said, I've had this for a couple days. About 3 nights I've been using it, and I have fallen in love with it. And it really hydrates my skin like I haven't found anything do yet. I like this a lot. So, that's my BoxyCharm. And I can't wait for my Becca though. But yeah, $185. It was worth it. It was a good box. I wasn't disappointed. Not no. I'm content with it, we'll say. Anyways, that's it for today, you guys. I just wanted to unbox my BoxyCharm Premium with you guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.